How to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Contacts app in the Android device. Now click on three dots given at the top right corner. From the list of the options, select Manage Contact. Now select Move Contact. Now over here, you're gonna find various options. Select Google account. Once you have selected it, now check in for the option All. With that, you have moved all the contacts to the selected Gmail account. Now what you have to do is head over to your iPhone. In your iPhone device, launch Settings, then navigate to the option Apps. From the list of the apps, find Mail. After you find it, launch it. Click on the option Mail Accounts, click on Add Account, select Google. Now sign into the Gmail account in which you have moved the contacts. Once you are logged in, now you have to enable for the option of contacts. Just for that, you have transferred all the contacts from your Android device to the iPhone device. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.